Alright, so hello everybody, welcome back to my video once again. So today in this video I would love to share with you, if you want to do something for your life, if you want to do something for your future, you have to take small and tiny steps every day. Actually, I have actually planned for day, for today, I have a plan for a month, I have a plan for future. So everyone has a different kind of plan. You have to have a plan. Plan is so important. So actually, if you want to become a successful person, you have to take small and tiny step every day. It's so important. So today I have taken a challenge. Actually, the challenge is I will make 15 plus video. It is not big, but it is my tiny steps. So I will complete it at any way, at any cost. It doesn't matter what situation going on right now. So I have to do it at any way. What situation going on right now, I don't focus, I don't care about it. I have to do it. That means I have to do it at any way, at any cost. So my dear brothers, today I speak very loudly because you can motivate it after watching my video. You can be inspired after watching my video. My dear brothers and sisters, let's restart. The second thing, actually, I have taken another challenge. I will listen actually 4 hours. I will listen English video. Actually, today I will listen English video minimum 4 hours. So this is my tiniest step. It's truly amazing. It is truly important for our life, my dear brother and sister. So you can do these things. I believe it will work for you. Actually, it worked for me. It worked for me. You have to be consistent person. You have to take a small and tiny steps every day. So you can feel shy for the first time. You cannot make video. I know very well. You are beginner. That's why you cannot make video. You cannot speak properly. No problem, dear brother sister. If you have any wish, you can do something special for your life. Just do it. Just take it strongly. Sorry. So this is the thing I try to understand, my dear brother sister. So if you like my video, please let me know. I don't want it more longer. See you some another video. All the best.